Hey YouTube, this is Rolf Cobblers 92. Right now I'm behind the camera, but in a minute you'll see that today I got something for you to take a look at. Looked up on YouTube and there wasn't many reviews of these things. The Harbor Freight or Chicago Electric 12 volt lithium-ion impact driver. Well, I gotta get this out. I've been playing with it already. It's one of the hex drivers. Screwdrivers or something like this. Works really good. Usually see these like with drywall users. They're the ones that make the really loud knocking sound. I've been playing with it already. Got just some. This wood here is really hard, and this is softer. And you can see I've been driving some screws in it pretty hard, and the thing just keeps going. It's awesome. Let me go get the box for it. I'll get the item number for you. Oh crap, I tossed the box in the rafters. Sorry about that, but it comes with this, obviously. If I can get it out. One battery, 12 volt lithium-ion battery, and a 45-minute charger. And actually mine charged in like 10 minutes. So that might have been because it had a small charge from the factory already, or I don't know. But all I know is I've been using it. I like it. Motor's not burning. It's not overheating. So yeah, just to show you, it's got LED light, and it has the switch where you can pull it slowly for different speeds. It's got forward, reverse, and center lock. And on center lock, if you pull the button hard enough, the light will come on. So today, just to show you, it works good. Because it is from Harbor Freight. It is a budget tool basically. It's not like a Bosch or a DeWalt or a Craftsman or something that would drive it right down into hell. But it works. I got this. It's a lag bolt. It's compare it to this. This is a socket adapter, almost as long as it, but maybe an inch and a half. I don't know. But we'll take this and we'll drive it into that wood. Find the right socket size. There it is, and we'll show you how good it works. Oh, this one you can't just stuff something in there and have it click in. See, can't do that. You have to pull the thing out, put it in there, and then if you put it in too far, just pull it up and it locks it. Oh, the socket fell. See, locks it in. But I'll take this and I'll drive it in for you. Now, if you're wondering why it worked that hard, it's because, like I said, this wood is very hard. And you can see, it drove it in there. It was actually starting to go in the wood a little bit. So, use the softer wood side, and I'll drive another lag bolt in for you. This one's really short. Yep, right size. See, no problem with that one. Plus, it split the wood. So, this thing's obviously got some pretty decent juice on it. Find another lag bolt. This will be the final one, I guess. I can find the right socket size. Here it is. I'll do screws after this. This is for sockets and stuff. This is the softer wood. Oop, drove it in too far. But yeah, see, it works awesome. So I'll take this out and put this in. This is for screws and stuff. Put it in the hardwood side. I'm gonna try the soft. Let's get. This looks good to me. Nope, it's stripped. That looks good. drywall screw. Just a regular drywall screw. I don't know why it's got washers on it. Just a regular drywall screw. Oh, I stripped it. I broke it. I broke the screw. It's stuck inside there somewhere. Oh yeah. And my drill bit stuck to the screw head. There we go. Well, it's got power. It broke the head of the screw off. There you go. This one's a bit thicker. Ooh, wrong way. So as you can see, it works awesome. Now removing things, I got all these screws on this side. Take them all out for you. Didn't even work for that one. Get in there. Oop. Oh, this one's driven in. So as you can see, the thing works really good. I love it. It works, flawlessly. Like I said, it doesn't have the power of a craftsman or something like that. It's a Harbor Freight budget tool. And I think it works good. Oh, I gotta find which one this is. Apparently wrong one. There you go. I'll just take all these out now. Yeah, I was using this earlier, and you look, you can't see another screw head on there, but there is a screw on there. I broke a screw head off using this. So, put that back in the scrap pile. And you can see, thing works awesome. I love it. Works flawless. I'm just going to drive some screws into the tool bench. I love it. So, sorry this was so long, but I haven't seen a decent review on the lithium-ion ones, but I have on the NiCads. So, I don't have the box with me, because I did throw it into the rafters, because I didn't need it anymore. But I do have the manual. Take a look at that. Maybe get the item number off it for you. I've seen a lot of reviews on these on the actual Harbor Freight site that it has short battery life. I've been using it for about 10 minutes of hard, constant work, and it hasn't died yet. So, here's the manual for it. Chicago Electric Professional 12-volt lithium-ion impact driver. There's no item number on here. Nope. No item number, but I love it. Oh, excuse me. Works good. That, and I also have, I'll have to do a review on this too. A Drill Master 120 volt 4.5 inch angle grinder. I got it from there too for $10. Freaking awesome deal. So, thanks for watching. Harbor Freight, I think it was $55. I got the 20% off coupon. It was $47. Thing has pretty decent torque. And it has an electric brake inside. So, I love it. I can't get that out one-handed, but whatever. Thanks for watching.